As an artist, you use that people talk to you about your visual art. If it's drawn good or bad, if it's beautiful or ugly. But with us, they started talking to us about the content, about what inside the illustration, what we're talking about. And I think from then we understood that what we do is not just art. We're not just artists. We're content makers.
One of those days, the hit webcomic by Israeli couple Yehuda and Devir has become a worldwide sensation, drawing millions of fans with their humorous illustrated take on life as a married couple and new parents. Their work has resonated so much with fans that they won the Most Creative Content Maker Award at the Inflow Global Summit 2019 Awards.
Thank you. Imagine thousands of people that came to see you and they're all shaking, screaming.
Crying.
Yeah, and when they take a picture with you, you can feel their hand in your back like this.
When they come to our booth, it's a party. Hugging and sharing and come over here.
We are more excited than they are. So Yehuda and I are together for almost 13 years. And I think we got married after 6 or 7 years together. And today we have two amazing, adorable, most perfect kids in the world, Ariel and Ethan. We've been in Bezalel Academy of Arts and Design in Jerusalem. We studied visual communication. So Yehuda illustration is much more influenced from the comics world. My type of illustration is more like drawing. I'm more realistic artist. And only after we graduated, we started to do our personal blog one of those days. And when it became popular and viral, we officially became a team. I think the combination of both of us made Yehuda's illustration from a simple comics, you can say, to more complex image. Every single work that he did, it was 15 minutes walk on because he did it like really quick, more like a doodle. And when I looked at it, I said, why are you putting so much effort for other people's work, but in your work, you're doing such a, quick and fast job? You can do much better. You have like the most amazing hand in the world. And I think from then he started to do more complex backgrounds and the characters became much more detailed. I think this is the essence of our collaboration. We have over 9 million followers on social media worldwide. That's true, but it was not that big at the beginning. It took us a lot of time of study. It took us a lot of failures, a lot of hard work, a lot of mistakes, harsh mistakes, to understand how to do it. And even today, we're doing mistakes. It's like a never-ending university, I guess you can say. That's the reason that it was so important for us when we did that course, not to talk only about the technical part, about how to draw or how to illustrate. We wanted to teach whoever take this course also the business model that we kind of developed over the years from our tons of mistake and hard work. Because eventually as artists, one of the most important things for us is to get a recognition for what we do. People that tell them that like our work saved their life. It's huge. It's like we help them to think positive about relationship, about someone that lost her husband and now she have like hope to start all over again. And all of amazing story and it's all thanks to you. You give us the opportunity to make other people happy.